In this video, we will explore the ancient Japanese healing art of Reiki, a complementary energy therapy that involves light touch or non touch hand placement to channel universal life energy for physical, emotional, and spiritual well being. We will trace its origin back to Dr. Mikao Usui's in early 20th century in Japan. Define spiritual awakening as the process of stepping back into a new awareness of life with greater empathy and compassion, and reveal how Reiki's balancing of subtle energy fields can facilitate this transformation. You will also hear real world examples, practical self Reiki tips, and guidance on finding a certified practitioner to support your own journey towards awakening. Have you ever felt a shift in your personal energy or sensed a deeper calling in life? In today's video, we will dive into Reiki and spiritual awakening, uncovering how this time honored practice can open you to higher levels of awareness and inner harmony. Welcome back to Reiki Music Vibrations. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to the never miss out deep dive into mind, body, spirit topics. The real practical knowledge. Let's know what is Reiki. Reiki is a complementary health approach in which practitioners place their hands lightly on or just above the body to channel healing energy, aiming to activate the person's own natural healing responses. Ray and Ki. Ray is equivalent to spiritual or sacred. Ki means energy. That is the word meaning of Reiki. Now let's know origin and history of Reiki. Dr. Mikao Usui, born on August 15, 1865 in Japan, developed the Usui Shiki Ryoho system in the early 1920s, teaching over 2000 students during his lifetime. Now, understanding the spiritual awakening. What is spiritual awakening? A spiritual awakening occurs when a person steps back and awakes to life with a fresh sense of being, gaining perspectives on the bigger picture of existence. It often brings humility, not thinking less of yourself, but thinking of yourself less, and opens the heart to compassion and self compassion. There are some signs and stages. You might experience heightened empathy and intense sense of compassion and a yearning for deeper connection, hallmarks of an ongoing awakening processes. How Reiki facilitate spiritual awakening by balancing and unblocking your energy fields. Reiki promotes deep relaxation, reduces stress and anxiety, and enhanced mental clarity, creating the optimal internal environment for awakening. Practitioners reports that sustained Reiki practice can heighten spiritual respectively, helping you sense subtle energies and insights beyond the ordinary mind. Some students or users or experience holders of Reiki says after my first Reiki session I felt an immediate calm and a surprising surge of insight. I finally understand patterns in my life I didn't see before. Reiki changed my life. I will completely transform my life. That is the statements of many students. And how to practice daily Reiki in your life. Take 15 to 20 minutes each morning, placing hands on major chakras on areas of tension to self channel energy. That is the very effective self Reiki technique. And meditation and journaling. Combine Reiki with silent meditation and reflective journaling, noting any intuitive insights or emotional releases. And if you want to learn Reiki, then finding a qualified practitioner, ask questions and inquire about lineage and their training hours and sessions and format to find a good fit. And Reiki offers a profound gateway to spiritual awakening by aligning your body, mind, and subtle energy fields. Whether you are new or have a dedicated practice, exploring Reiki can illuminate your inner path. Ready to begin? Share your Reiki experience in the comments box below. If you find this video enlightening, like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon now. Thanks for watching, and may your journey to awakening be filled with light and love. Thank you, thank you, thank you.